Right, question 16. Buses to Exeter leave every 20 minutes and buses to Plymouth leave every 16. A bus at Exeter and a bus at Plymouth leave both at the station at 8 AM. When the buses to Exeter and Plymouth next leave the bus station at the same time. So we're looking for the next time they both repeat. So every 20 minutes and every 16 minutes. So go down in your 20s and go down in your 16s. And the first number that you see that's in both, that's called the lowest common multiple, so that's 80 minutes then later. Now that can be the same as saying 1 hour and 20 minutes, because there's 60 minutes in an hour. So what we're then going to do is at 8 AM, so if we had an hour and 20 minutes, so it'll be 9:20 AM, that then they will next meet. Question 17, very common error with 17. So you've got 2x squared plus 7. If you sub 4 in, BIDMAS tells you the order that you've got to do things. Now indices are the second up, so you do this bit first before you do this. So we've got 4, so if I put it in like a sort of function machine, so you're going to square the number, then you're going to times it by 2, and then you're going to add 7 to it. So it's that first, then that. A lot of people times by 2 first, then square it. So 4 squared gives you 16, 16 doubled gives you 32, and then 32 add 7 gives you 39. Question 18 on the grid here. So we've got y equals 4x plus 2. So again, function machine, what we're doing, taking our x coordinate, times it by 4, and then we're adding 2 to it, and that gives us our y. So if we draw a little table of values, it goes from -1 all the way up to 3. Start with 0. 0 times 4 is 0, add 2, 2. 1 times 4 is 4, add 2, 6. 2 times 4 is 8, add 2, 10. 3 times 4 is 12, add 2, 14. And you'll notice it jumping into 4s, so if you take 4 off that, you'll get -2 for this one. So it's -1, -2, 0, 2, 1, 6, 2, 10, and then 3, 14. And then we draw the lines straight through there, and then that's the graph question covered. Question 19, and the final question here. Quite a lot of words to this, so again you may want to be writing things down as you're reading through. Mr. Smith drives 24 miles to work. On Monday his journey takes 30 minutes, so on Monday it's 30 mins. On Tuesday the average speed of his journey to work is 56 kilometers per hour. That's the Tuesday information. Did Mr. Smith drive more quickly to work on Monday or Tuesday? So which one was quicker? Well, if we work out here, we've got 24 miles. Now the conversion you require here is that 5 miles is 8 kilometers. So this is the important fact you need to know. So the first thing we're going to do is say on a Monday, what's he doing on a Monday? Well, how many miles per hour is he going? Well, it's 24 miles divided by hour. Now hour is actually a half. So he's actually going at 48 miles per hour. Now that makes sense because in half an hour, I'm going to draw it like a scale if this makes more sense. In 30 minutes he travelled 24 miles. So how far is he going to travel in an hour? Well, it's double that, isn't it? So 48 miles per hour. Now on a Tuesday, we're told he does 56 kilometers per hour. So if we divide the 56 by 8 and then times it by 5, that will tell us, let's just put it down this way, 56 divided by 8 first of all, so that will give us 7, and then 7 times 5 gives us 35 miles per hour. So did he drive more quickly on Monday or Tuesday? Quicker on Monday by how many miles per hour? 13 miles per hour.